Hey guys, so you just got your outfeed or are about to get your outfeed table. They should have all those shipped out by Monday, I think, or most of them out by Monday. What she said. So if you are one of the few that are, if you are one of the people that have gotten yours already, I want to show you real quick how this works. It's super simple. On the back of it, you're going to see two lines. We drew those lines out for you so you know where to put the legs. So you're going to get two of these. One's going to be a right and a left. So when you're installing them, you want this little wing to be facing towards the outside of the saw. Now that line right there will have a little L on it. You simply just put that on the line, use the included pocket hole screws, and then screw it down. Now in that you're also going to see a couple of bolts that look like this. There's a machine bolts. Those go right in, those go right in here. So from the back towards the front, this direction, and those are used to help adjust this later. So let's get the other one on and I'll show you how to adjust it. So just once again, these go on the inside of that line with the wing facing out. All right. Now at this point, you should be able to just go ahead and set it right on this bar in the back. It sits right down like that. And it should be pretty tight. If it's a little bit loose or a little too tight, you can adjust one of those legs, right or left to give you a little more room or a little less room depending on what you need. So the next thing I want to do is level this out. I'm just going to use a level. I'm going to use a level to bring this up to where it's level with the top of the bed, and then I'll screw that bolt in on this side till that sits level like it's supposed to. The same on the other side. And you're done. And this thing comes off and on crazy fast. And that's all there is to it. So one thing I want to mention real quick before you go, if you're thinking about ordering this and haven't yet, this only works for the DWE 47911 saw. It is not designed for any other saw. Now the infeed that we showed earlier in the other video will work for most saws, but you may have to do some modifications if it's not this particular saw. But with that setup, you really extend your outfeed, you've got a nice sturdy infeed, and it'll make this saw a lot more user friendly. Thanks for watching.